Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are doing Distant Thunder.
When you kill one, it is a tragedy. When you kill 10 million, it is a statistic. They call me killer, but I live only to serve the people. And the people's history will judge me. Where the Romans failed, I will succeed. Russia's borders will stretch from coast to coast, for a united Russia is our destiny. Those lands were taken away by corrupt Tsarist diplomats and criminal military officers. They were the enemies of the people. But enough of this. You have served me well. Continue to do so, and your future is as bright as the star of the Soviet Union. As a reward for your service to the people, I wish to promote you. Your first order as field captain is to proceed to Colchis Island. We need the ore there for a special project. In addition, we need to capture the Allied Communications Center. We must know what those Allied dogs are up to. Godspeed. Do what you must for the people.
Huh, I wonder what happened to the two advisors. Okay, well I guess we're Stalin's right-hand man or something. Oh boy, Kahalikis Island contains a large quantity of ore that we need. The Allies are well aware of our plans and intend to establish their own base there. See to it that they fail. In addition, capture their radar center so we can track Allied activity in this area. Okay.
Battle reinforcements initialized.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Affirmative.
Why not? Let's put it there.
As you
Get
wish.
going.
Building.
Ready and waiting.
Okay, ooh, looks like we got submarines available.
Construction complete. New construction options.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Let's see, submarines, airfield, war factory, radar
Agreed.
dorm. Okay, that's the usual stuff.
Acknowledged. Very well. Affirmative. Reporting. Acknowledged. Of course.
So we got some resources here.
As you wish.
I hope this is the edge of the map.
At once.
Ooh, oh man. They're being
Agreed.
generous here. Oh, they're being
Construction
super
complete.
generous. We're done. We are done.
Acknowledged.
We only have 2 grenadiers? How is this possible? There's no way.
Very well. At once.
Construction complete.
Of course.
Okay, at least they're not focusing on us.
As you wish. Affirmative.
Okay, there we go, there we go. Okay, the strategy might be just let them attack the buildings for a little bit until we can get some troops out.
Training. Unit ready.
Okay, I think we'll go
Building.
for the
Unit
war factory,
ready.
get a couple more harvesters going. You should be going for those resources.
Unit ready. Unit ready.
Comrade.
You
Unit
go over here.
ready.
Go over there.
Under attack.
Yes, sir.
Holy cow!
Acknowledged. Reporting. At
Unit
once.
ready.
Defend it! Defend it!
Unit ready.
Defend it!
Agreed.
Ugh!
Repairing. Training.
Oh, I can get a flame tower.
Unit
We'll get
ready.
that, and then We will just kind of sit behind
Unit
it.
ready. Unit ready.
I'm going to need another power plant
Unit
too.
ready.
There we go.
Our base is under attack.
Let the flame tower do most of the work.
Building.
See if I get another one too. Put you right there.
Construction options. Building.
Get a couple ore trucks. Another flame tower.
Construction complete.
Another power
Construction
plant.
complete.
Yeah, we're good.
Insufficient funds.
You know, I tell you to go do the
Waiting
expensive
order.
resources,
Affirmative.
and then you go over there. I don't understand.
Unit ready.
Go
Vehicle
get this stuff.
reporting.
Building.
Ready and waiting.
I think I could throw away a couple guys and see what's out there.
Insufficient funds.
Awaiting orders. Agreed. Yes, sir. Acknowledged.
It's a lot of ore.
Reporting. Of course. Reporting. Ready and
I'm
waiting.
surprised how much ore is out
At
here.
once.
Unit lost.
Awaiting orders. As you wish.
What are they
Acknowledged.
shooting at?
Very well.
Unit lost.
Oh, they were shooting at me.
Unit ready. Insufficient funds. Our base is under attack. Construction complete. New construction options.
Yes,
Uh-oh.
sir.
Uh-oh.
As you wish.
Building.
Okay, yeah, looks like we're running out of ore down here, which means our ore trucks are going to start going up here and mining this, which means we got to defend them.
Awaiting orders.
Insufficient
Of
funds.
course.
I see, so maybe we push forward a little bit?
Affirmative.
Unit lost. Unit lost.
Reporting.
Unit ready.
You know,
Building.
maybe some dogs would help. I think dogs are pretty cheap.
complete. New construction options. Training.
They could take out troops pretty quick, so...
Unit ready. Unit
Ready
lost.
and waiting.
Insufficient
Waiting orders.
funds.
Affirmative.
Unit ready.
You know what, let's go
Unit
back.
lost. Unit lost. Unit ready. Unable to build.
Wait,
Unit
we lost
ready.
the flame tower? When did that happen?
Unit ready.
Jeez, the dogs
Unit
are
ready.
fast.
Building.
Yes, sir.
Well, now we got some
Affirmative.
tanks, so we should be a little more set now.
Insufficient funds.
Reporting.
See what we could do with these
As you
guys.
wish.
Unit ready.
Reporting. Acknowledged.
Unit lost. Unit
Jeez,
lost.
those dogs didn't stand a
Insufficient
chance.
funds.
Okay, so this is the little ore thingamajig that renews it, so we gotta kind of stick around
Affirmative.
here and
Unit
make sure
ready.
that this is
Construction
available for our
complete.
ore trucks.
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready.
Now let's just go crazy with the tanks now.
Unit
Vehicle
ready.
reporting.
Probably need
Unit ready.
that
building.
radar dome so we could get the V2s, and an airfield would be
Insufficient
nice
funds.
too.
Our base
Are you
is under
serious?
Awaiting orders. Acknowledged.
Oh,
attack. Repairing.
maybe submarines?
orders.
Jeez, we need a lot of stuff.
Acknowledged.
Holy cow.
Acknowledged.
Are we able to defend this?
Unit ready. Unit ready. Unit ready. Insufficient funds.
Ready and waiting.
The riflemen are just going to slowly pick
Yes,
that
sir.
away. Oh, does the
At
tank
once.
have further
Comrade.
range than the rifleman?
Ready
sir.
Unit ready.
Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Yeah, okay, that's better.
Insufficient funds.
Yes, sir. Acknowledged.
So by playing with the Allies, we
Waiting orders.
know that
Course.
the Soviets have much better navy than the Allies. So holy cow, holy cow!
Unit lost.
Back or truck. Ah,
Lost.
this is what I was afraid of.
Acknowledged.
Unit lost. Unit lost. Unit lost. Cancel. Cancel. On cancel. Building.
I don't know, just get a few ore trucks.
Insufficient funds. Unit lost.
Comrade.
I wish I could find out where they're coming from. I might need to get an
Affirmative.
airfield for this. Getting attacked by land and sea, that's pretty hard.
New construction options.
Okay, what do we got here? Jeez. They've got an MCV ready to go? Huh. So I'm thinking we are connected on the same landmass. Maybe we're not. Maybe they gotta go across the water right here. I don't know.
Unit ready.
Let's get an
Building.
airfield and see if we can scout that out. If there is water right here, maybe a bunch of subs would help us defend our land.
Building.
Okay, airfield. Let's get a
Building.
yak going.
On cancel. Building.
Ready and
Low
waiting.
power.
Oh shoot, another wave
Lost.
coming in.
Unit ready.
Comrade.
Okay, come on guys, let's go,
Low
let's go.
power.
Acknowledged.
Let the flame towers do most of the work here. Oh, that's stupid, they're chasing the ore trucks.
Base is under attack.
Well, that's kind of nice that they just chase the ore trucks. The ore trucks are a lot
Insufficient
faster, and
Very well.
we can slowly
At
pick them
once.
off. That's a strategy.
Training.
Reporting. Agreed. At once.
Unit lost.
Okay, that definitely looks like their base right there.
Of course. Very well.
Okay, here we go. Big attack.
Reporting. Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Oh shoot, come on guys.
Acknowledged. Affirmative.
Insufficient
Acknowledged.
funds. Repair. Unit repair. Base is under attack.
Ah, don't lose a truck, darn it.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Awaiting orders. Affirmative.
Reporting. Acknowledged.
Insufficient funds.
Ready and waiting.
Spy plane ready.
Agreed.
Hey, we got a spy plane.
Select
That's
target.
something. I want to see what's right here. Ooh, okay. Oh, they're taking the same ore as us? I think. We should cut them off.
Unit ready. Unit repaired.
Yep, let's take them out here.
Very well. Reporting.
Okay,
Very
we
well.
need to head home.
As you wish. Of course.
Insufficient
Comrade.
funds.
Affirmative.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I think we'll just kind of hold the line right around here. Oh, shoot.
Acknowledged. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
I need to get better at running troops over with these tanks.
Affirmative. Acknowledged. Vehicle reporting.
Unit lost. Unit ready.
Affirmative. Reporting. Acknowledged.
Insufficient funds.
Affirmative. Affirmative.
Okay, I think we'll just hold the line right here.
Vehicle reporting.
Might do. Okay, so we're supposed to capture this radar dome and defeat the Allied forces. So there's a huge part of the map that's just not exposed. So I'm thinking, what if we
Very well.
explore a little bit?
Agreed.
There's got to be something else. Oh shoot,
At
this
once.
guy needs a repair.
Of course.
thought you were repairing once you were on your dock. Oh, it has to land on the depot.
Unit repaired.
Interesting.
Ready and waiting.
I never
At
knew
once.
that. Alright, what is out here?
Acknowledged.
I think this might be the island they were talking
Of
about in the
course.
briefing.
Agreed.
Yeah, it's full of resources.
Very well.
Too bad we can't make like an MCV and come over here.
Affirmative.
Now, I don't think I need to go for a Navy just yet. Unless I capture that MCV. Can I capture that? I don't know. We'll hold off,
Yes,
we'll hold
sir.
off on the Navy for now. I'm going to build up some of these V2 rockets, and we'll take on this base really quick. You know, 2 V2
Acknowledged.
rockets should just
Waiting
about do
order.
it, so let's see
Vehicle
what we can
reporting.
do here.
Affirmative.
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
Reporting. Acknowledged.
Yes, sir. Agreed.
Insufficient funds.
Reporting.
Waiting order.
Yes, sir. Acknowledged. Affirmative.
Unit
Go.
ready.
That's going to track them in.
Unit ready.
Waiting order.
Okay, can you guys shoot that far?
Affirmative.
Yes,
Unit
sir.
ready.
Acknowledged.
Insufficient
Affirmative.
funds.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, we'll just slowly creep on in here and take this out. Oh, I need an engineer. If I build a few engineers, I could probably capture a few of these buildings here. Might as well.
Structure captured.
Oh, shoot.
Lost. Unit lost.
Oh, shoot. Okay. Oh, they're moving
Unit
to the
lost.
island now.
Unit lost.
Interesting.
Acknowledged.
Okay.
Unit ready.
So we gotta find
Unit ready. Insufficient
where that
funds.
MCV went. So now we need to build up a
Of course.
Navy.
Acknowledged. At once.
Jeez, he already got established
Very
that
well.
quick?
As you wish.
This ain't gonna be good.
Airborne unit lost.
You know, with enough of those yaks, I might be able to take that thing out.
Yeah. Acknowledged.
Okay, well, at least we captured their command center here, so that gives us access to the naval yard too. So we could get submarines and a navy. Ooh,
Waiting order.
that's good stuff.
Vehicle
Okay,
reporting.
I say we take
Affirmative.
care of that navy the best we can.
Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Unit ready. Unit lost. Structure captured.
Affirmative.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, let's just keep capturing this
Training
stuff.
insufficient
It's free stuff.
funds.
Awaiting orders.
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
You know, the only sad part is
Insufficient
here is
funds.
there's not a whole lot of ore left over. So that kind of slows us
Reporting.
down a bit.
Acknowledged. Ready and waiting. Of course. Agreed.
I'm going to station most of my army up here
Unit
because
ready.
this seems to be where the enemy's coming from.
Yes, sir.
That's
As you
good.
wish. Affirmative.
Insufficient
Waiting
funds.
order.
Unit lost.
Acknowledged.
Awaiting orders. Awaiting orders. Yes, sir. Very well.
Reporting.
Unit
Affirmative.
lost.
Waiting order. Affirmative.
Reporting.
Unit lost.
At once.
Insufficient funds.
Let's see what they got going on over here. Oh
Unit
man,
ready.
we're gonna be in trouble here pretty soon. Oh
As you wish.
jeez.
Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Oh man, they are pumping out. Oh, this ain't good. This is not good.
Engineering. Affirmative.
Insufficient. Select target.
So we've got air troopers. We can start dropping people
Select
down.
target. Reinforcements have arrived.
Got a bit of a navy up there. I say we just
Ready
build
and
up a
waiting
small
at
force
once.
over here. We gotta wait 2 minutes for more troopers. Build up a bit and start hitting them a little bit. This guy
Insufficient
going in
funds.
here. Capture that. Maybe we go for those subs. Those subs are super powerful.
Structure captured.
So we have to. Oh, we have to defend the radar dome.
Insufficient funds.
Ooh, that's not
Affirmative.
gonna be fun. I think this. Yeah, that.
Yes, sir.
This refinery over here is a little closer, so I'll probably try to
Acknowledged.
send these guys over here.
Structure captured.
Okay, I think what I'll do is
Repairing.
I will take
Moving
this
out.
structure. Can I take it?
Moving out.
I can't take it. Darn it.
Moving out.
That's super annoying.
Waiting order.
Okay,
Acknowledged.
let's just blow that up then.
Structure captured.
Oh, they found us. Yeah, they're well defended now. Oh, man.
Unit lost.
Oh, when did
Select
that
target.
happen?
Unit lost.
We got reinforcements over here?
Ready and waiting. As you wish.
Insufficient funds.
Excuse me?
Awaiting orders.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Affirmative.
What is going on?
Acknowledged. Reporting.
I'll take it.
Affirmative.
I was just about to restart too.
Reporting.
I was trying to figure out
As you
what I
wish.
could do here with so little ore. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. We need to get an ore refinery going as quickly as possible.
On hold.
Let's just stop everything else.
Unit
Vehicle
ready.
We need to
Insufficient
stop all this stuff.
funds.
Yeah, kill that.
Spy plane ready. Cancel.
Stop
On
all
hold.
other stuff.
Unit lost.
Okay, yeah, I can't believe I got that. Let's just sell some junk off.
Structure sold.
Hey, an engineer.
Engineering.
Awaiting orders.
Just leave those guys there to
Yes, sir.
tear it up.
Affirmative. Ready and waiting.
This is perfect right here.
Select target. Insufficient funds. Airborne unit lost.
Come on,
Unit
guys.
lost.
Ooh, that's a big army. That's a big army. Ooh, shoot.
Waiting orders.
Unit lost. Unit lost. Unit
Focus
lost.
fire.
Construction complete. Unit
Oh, I'm gonna
lost.
lose it.
Acknowledged.
I just got a
Unit
refinery
lost.
too.
Unit lost. Building. Unit lost.
Reporting.
Super unfortunate. Now, I didn't think I was gonna get this MCV over here.
Yes, sir.
Unit lost.
Ah, shoot.
Our base is under
Yep,
attack.
we're gonna lose it all here.
Insufficient
Awaiting
funds.
orders. At once. As you wish. Ready and waiting.
Construction complete.
Hey, we might not. Oh, hey, we saved it. I can't believe we saved that.
Yes, sir.
You
Reporting.
need to go repair.
Acknowledged.
So now what we need to work on is getting some troops over here to help defend.
Unit ready.
Maybe some
Repairing.
ore trucks over there too.
Unit repaired.
So I was thinking let's do... Oh, we sold. I hope
Building.
the Soviets have troop transport because we sold our MCV up here, which gave us access to the Allied stuff. So hopefully that didn't cause problems.
Waiting order. Affirmative.
Insufficient funds.
Come on, funds. Let's put our sub pin right there. Let's get a butt ton of submarines
Building.
out.
Spy plane ready.
And probably a couple transports. One should do it. If I could get a few of those ore harvesters over here, I think we'll be golden. And we'll just get some troops over here too. We mostly need submarines. So I gotta clear the way through here.
Unit
Waiting
ready.
orders.
Our base is under attack.
Oh, what's that?
Of course. Affirmative. Very well.
Come on.
Awaiting orders.
Oh, that was a bad idea. Why aren't you attacking, plane? Come on.
As you wish.
Ah, we lost it all.
Acknowledged.
Unit ready.
It's super annoying.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Thought we were good over here. They just came in from behind.
Insufficient
man.
funds.
Okay, well, we lost that.
Reporting. Acknowledged. Acknowledged.
Man, these two submarines have pretty much taken out the entire enemy navy.
Unit ready.
It's insane.
Insufficient funds.
Okay, it's been some time. Stu, we got a little better prepared here, so I did try another attempt, and I put down a sub pin immediately, and as soon as I did that, the MCV loaded up and went to the island. So I figured that's probably a bad thing if that MCV was to go over here, because it's got all these resources. So what I went ahead and did is I've been getting prepared, getting ready to take on this little camp, but I know if I get close, the MCV is going to load up. So what I've been doing is I paratrooped some troops over here, and I'm going to see if I could collect some more over there just to, you know, get that island populated with troops. My hopes is when they transport over here, it'll just be the MCV by itself, and I could just send my troops after it and, yeah, take it out. That's the plan.
Reinforcements have arrived.
Okay.
Insufficient.
These guys are good.
Waiting orders. Of course.
Yeah, I'm just having them group up in the middle of the island, so that way they don't get hit by the navy. Okay, these guys are doing good. They should be able to hold the line right here. Got a couple planes here ready to go as well.
Very well.
I'm gonna leave that navy alone. So the plan, the debate right now is how long should I wait until I take out this base? So how much forces should I build up? So I was thinking maybe I should build up a bunch of money, so once I'm ready to take on this base, I'll have a bunch of money saved up and I can put down a sub pin, send out a bunch of subs immediately, because this guy's going to take off immediately. I don't know. There's a lot to think about.
Oh, wait.
I think I'll just slowly creep in on him.
Affirmative.
Unit
Well, that was unfortunate. I just called in paratroopers and it flew right over the base. Alright, I don't think I'm going to get any more paratroopers in here. I think that's it.
Agreed.
Okay, made a quick save here. And I'm thinking let's start rolling in.
Vehicle reporting. Acknowledged.
There we go. Let them come to us. Oh, jeez.
Vehicle reporting.
Insufficient
Acknowledged.
funds.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Comrade.
Insufficient funds.
Vehicle reporting.
Unit lost.
Okay, let's do this. MCV should take off any second now.
Awaiting orders.
Okay.
Awaiting orders.
Affirmative. Acknowledged. Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
I wonder, the barricade was like right here, so if I never enter, are they not going to send the MCV off?
Reporting.
Unit ready.
Affirmative.
Can I shoot that?
Acknowledged.
There we go.
Affirmative.
I don't know, we entered their base a little bit.
Affirmative.
I want to see if I can destroy that MCV from here.
Acknowledged.
Oh, shoot. Okay, reload, reload. Ah, okay.
Yes, sir. Acknowledged.
Affirmative.
Affirmative.
Oh well, okay. At least we got these guys
Waiting
here,
orders.
ready to go. As
Acknowledged.
soon as it lands, I'm going to take it
course.
out. There it is.
At once.
Oh, shoot. I forgot that it could do that.
As
It's
you
just
wish.
got to build.
At
Just
once.
let it build.
Of course. Of course. Very well. At once. Affirmative.
Okay, so I'll just chase it.
Reporting.
I'm afraid of
Affirmative.
friendly fire here.
Of course.
Unit
Agreed.
lost.
There it is.
Waiting
Okay.
orders.
Take it out, take it out, take it out. Dang, they move fast.
Affirmative.
Take that out.
Waiting orders.
Fighting 2 battles here. Okay. Tanks can go there.
Waiting
These
orders.
guys can go here. Oh, I'm gonna have to keep a few guys here. Okay, we took care of it.
Ready and waiting.
Oh, that was so much better. Okay, I'm thinking let's set you guys up over here.
Reporting.
Send
Acknowledged.
you guys up there. Yes, I'll send these
Reporting.
troops over here just to make sure
Of
no
course.
other MCVs show up. And I can capture all these buildings. I should be free to. Aside from the barracks, but here we go.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's a troop transport. Scatter a little bit, guys.
Unit lost.
You know what? I'm gonna pull these guys out. I don't want to get taken out by the Navy. We should be fine. Doesn't look like the troop transport is dropping off anything.
Yes, sir.
Just gonna keep sending these engineers in. Get me some more buildings.
Engineering.
Okay, back online.
Yes, sir. Affirmative.
I think we're looking good. And the only thing we really got to worry about is that stupid Navy.
Ready and waiting.
I'll leave a plane right here, because that thing's going to
Structure
reveal
captured.
all of that.
Waiting orders.
I
Yes, sir.
wonder,
Acknowledged.
if I take these guys in a little bit,
Affirmative.
they can probably shoot that. Okay, here we go. Now
Base
we
is under attack.
poke the bear.
Awaiting orders.
Oh, the Navy's super easy.
Structure unit lost.
What's going on here?
Unit lost.
What does that mean? Defend the radar dome, capture the radar dome mission. Okay. I don't know what that meant, but defeat the Allied forces. So I'm guessing all we have to do is take out the last of these buildings and we should
Select
be good.
target.
I could probably drop in some more paratroopers here just so we can explore that island. And
Yes, sir.
oh, I forgot about the yaks.
Awaiting orders.
We could do something with
Reporting.
those. Oh, there's troops over
once.
here. Oh, there's troops over here.
Unit
Well,
lost.
that's gonna take forever to take out a tank with the plane.
Unit lost.
Okay. Oh, hello. Oh, this works. Okay. This should be super
Acknowledged.
easy now. I've got lots of money saved up too, so I kind of saved it up for this reason. Or refinery. I might as well go for a sub pin. I mean, I gotta clear out the Navy anyway.
Vehicle reporting.
Thinking you guys can just destroy that pin, that naval yard.
Awaiting
These
orders.
guys can just stay here and defend. Okay, get a few submarines going, get a transport. Man, submarines are super strong. With just 2 submarines, I should be able to, like, take on the entire Navy.
It is under
Oh,
attack.
where did you come from? That's not fair.
Repair.
Came in from behind.
Ready and waiting. At once.
Oh, there's artillery.
Construction complete.
You've got to be kidding me.
Affirmative. Acknowledged.
Take it out, take it out. Oh, no. Oh, that was close.
Agreed. Reporting.
You have got to be kidding me.
Unit ready.
Get out of there.
Lost. New construction options. Building. Unit lost. Building.
Oh, come on.
Unit lost. Insufficient funds.
Sequence
Unit
fire.
lost.
At once. Acknowledged.
Okay, we did it. Wait, what are we shooting at?
As you wish.
There you go. Okay, I think I'll just leave those guys
Spy
there.
plane ready.
How much more of this do we have to
Reporting.
clear out?
Of course. Awaiting
Got a couple
orders.
subs.
Acknowledged.
Let's clean out the ocean.
Insufficient
Waiting
Got
funds.
that guy there.
Affirmative.
Got a couple guys there.
Unit ready. Construction complete.
I'm very surprised nothing's come down this road. Okay, well, I'm hoping we have enough here to do something.
Reporting.
Send you guys in.
Acknowledged. Vehicle reporting.
Okay, you guys found something.
Acknowledged.
Oh, that was easy. Just 2 missiles. Do it.
Affirmative. Yes,
Not
sir.
when they lost all their
Affirmative.
buildings, they're supposed to all come after us. I feel like we're missing a building here.
Yes, sir. Very well.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot.
Awaiting
Unit
Let the
orders.
subs take care of it.
Insufficient funds.
Okay, I'm guessing I just gotta clean up the Navy and we should be fine.
Awaiting orders.
Insufficient funds. Unit ready.
Here we go. Is this the last one? There we go.
Mission accomplished.
That's crazy. You have to hunt down the one ship that's out in the middle of nowhere. Okay, yeah, that was an interesting one. Yeah, if you're having a hard time with that, build up your forces a little bit, and then try to put some paratroopers on this island. That really seemed to help. Because honestly, if these guys get established on this island, you're done. They've got all the resources. Alrighty, well, definitely another fun one. Hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Thanks for watching.